Alright, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at IronCorp on try-hack-me. I've had a lot of problems with this box, so if you're not able to do rust scans on it, stuff like that, or even get it up and running, just try again tomorrow. Because I've had a bunch of problems with this box. I think it's actually taken me like 6 months to even do it. So we start off with a rust scan, right? And we'll see if it even works this time. Who knows? Alright, so we do see that port 11025 is up and running. And if we look at the beginning of this thing, there is actually supposed to be, you're supposed to put this in the ironcorp.me, okay, which we already did. So if I go ahead and my etsy host, you know what's funny is that port 8080 is all supposed to be up and running on this thing too, but it looks like it just decided not to be up and running this time. Usually 11025 is not up and running. But we go ahead and do that, and we got our ironcorp.me, right? Let's go ahead and do a dig, all right, ironcorp.me at the IP address, okay? And then see if there's anything else in there, AXFR, and we do end up finding admin and internal ironcorp.me. All right, so let's go ahead and check out that admin.ironcorp.me, and we do get a login page. Well, we should have gotten a login page. Okay, let me go ahead and clear out the cookies here. I'm not going to do that. Login page, super simple. Username is admin. You can use either Burp Suite or or Hydra to do it. I just suggest Burp Suite. It's a super simple password. And actually, password is the password, not quite like that, but no capitals or anything like that. But it's going to be password 123 is the password to get onto the page. All right. If we come here and we see this search like right here, right? And we do like and we try to search for HTTP internal.ironcorp.me on port 11025. We go ahead and we submit that query, right? We're going to see something weird here. Real weird, okay? It says you can find your name here, right? We click on here, and all of a sudden we get this name.php name equals. So let's go ahead and take that information that we just got, right? And let's go back, and let's see if we can't do something in here with that, right? So let's go ahead and we got that R equals boom boom ironcorp that guy right there 1025 / name.php question mark name equals, we'll say test. We'll enter here. It wasn't as slow last time, so it's kind of funny. This box is something else like right here. It really is. But okay, and we see this Equinox test. Okay, what happens if we pipe this? Then maybe say like, who am I? Right? Try sending a command, right? All right, and we see that we're NT authority system if we pipe it. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get Foxy Proxy started up right with Burp Suite. Let's head over to Burp. Okay, and let's go ahead and go back to target, target, intercept on. We can go ahead and drop everything out here. There's our target, like right there. We go ahead and get rid of this like real quick. Actually, do I know how to? Issue scope settings, exit out of here. Proxy, intercept is on. Let's go ahead and leave it like that, and we'll go ahead and we'll send this up again. This test who am I? And we do intercept it, right? We intercept that message. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and send this to the repeater now. Now I know someone did say about this font being small. I actually figured out how to change the font, but it only changes everything but this. And I started laughing. I was like, of course. So I thought we could get that a lot bigger, so I apologize. There's only so much I can do, all right? Let's go ahead and let's try to URL encode this. Now, just pure URL encoding is not going to work. We're going to have to do double URL encoding. So I started off with a ping command, obviously, to see if I could ping myself right. So let's go ahead and do a sudo TCP dump. And we'll just do a quick ifconfig over here. Boom. All right, and head back over into here. And we're just going to say ping that, right? And then let's go ahead and let's do double URL encoding. So we'll right click, convert selection URL, URL encode all characters, and then we're just going to do that again. URL encode all characters again. All right, and now if we send that off, we should start receiving pings over here. It does take a minute, And we do, okay? So double URL encode it, and we start to receive stuff. So what I did from here was I went ahead and I did a PowerShell one-liner, right? We'll go ahead and grab this whole thing. We'll throw it down here. Home, we're going to say PowerShell taxi. And we'll go ahead and we'll throw that into there. Function end, we'll throw that into there. Okay, we'll throw some apostrophes in there, or quotations, right? And then let's go ahead and put our IP address in here, right? So we can grab your IP address there, and we're going to put that on port 445. 445, okay? We'll take this whole thing right here, and it's about to get real big, but that's okay. All right, we'll paste it up here, and from pretty much that pipe over, we're going to URL encode this entire thing twice. Convert selection. We're going to go ahead URL encode all characters. Then we'll do it one more time. URL encode all characters. And then from here, we'll go ahead and we'll listen on port 445, right? And we'll send that. And this is going to take a minute, like I said, but you'll see that it is hanging over here in the burp suite window. It is hanging in the response, right? So that's good news for us. And now we just kind of just wait for this callback, like right here. And hopefully you get a callback. Hopefully you even were able to get this far, right? Hopefully the box actually started. There's a lot of hopefuls on this one. This one's a very hopeful box. All right, we do get a connection, and then it's going to take a minute for, there we go. And if I do a who am I, we are entity authority, right? So let's go ahead and do a CD into the C drive. All right, because we are in the E drive like right now, okay? And I don't actually know like where the flags are at. I'm just going to try users. I'm just going to try administrator. I have no idea where the flags are actually at. Okay, so for administrator, he has user.text for some reason. No idea why. But there's one of them. Is that the actual user.text over here? Because that's really weird. And then who the heck has root.text? I guess is what my question is. Oh, burp suite's still on now, isn't it? There we go. Turn that off. Then we're going to go ahead and try to submit that. Okay, so I guess we can always try like a get child item. Get child item, tac path, start at the C drive, I guess. Tac recurse, tac name, we'll say is root.text. Now, it may also be in the E drive now that I'm thinking about it. Could also be in the E drive, like right there. But yeah, I guess we'll figure out where the heck that one's at. See if we can't find that other flag there. Well, that's annoying. I do like whenever they hide flags, because, you know, it's not like you're the administrator already or anything. So that's not annoying at all. Doesn't make you want to just, you know, look up the damn flag, you know what I'm saying? Just like, all right, cool, bet. All right, we're about to just get a callback on this thing again. I'm about to just do another callback on this guy. Let's go ahead and get another callback going here. Go ahead and send this off again. See if I can't get another callback over to here, since this is going to take a minute to find that root.text, I feel like. Especially since we're an administrator on the machine, so we can look at everything. All right, that actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. Let's go ahead and CD back into C users again. See if we get anything. Okay, we got super admin there. Let's go ahead and get into super admin. LS TAC force. Okay, so there's nothing in super admin. Are we just gonna pretend like there's something in here? Just go into the desktop. What about CD into admin? What about CD back in the E drive? Okay, that's only XAMP in there. CD back in the C drive. Or is this just another problem with the machine like right here? Because we are NC Authority system, so I'm not really understanding. I guess we're just going to pretend like it does actually exist. Like type superadmin / desktop / root.txt. Is that a thing? That's fucking stupid. Alright, well that's dumb as hell. That's probably the hardest part of this whole box. This box is listed as hard. Hardest part was actually finding root.txt. That makes sense. And it's also supposedly not even started yet. So that's going to be about it for that one, like right there. I'm just glad that we're actually finally able to do it. Like I've tried to do that box, I would say, if you've been following the stream, I think I've been trying to do it for probably a year. So if you're not able to actually get on it, fully understand. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you all later.